just want to make sure the volume is good. I don't know. Can you guys hear me? I think I need to turn this up a little. Hold on. I think the volume should be good now. What's good? What's good? All right, guys. If the volume's good, let me know. All right. All right, man. I'm tripping. I gotta have something to keep my attention in the background. My bad. All right. I think I'm good. I think I'm ready. I gotta make sure I turn. I gotta have this. Had to turn off the little echo. All right. So it's a new tool called Sync 2K. Sync 2K. It's a roster editing tool. Let me see if I can go over to the resources. Now this right here is the Discord for it. Let me see. How can I invite people? Invite. Looks like I can invite people. I just put up a 6-hour link. All right, I'm pasting that into the, that's for the Discord, the Sync 2K Discord. It's a tool for NBA 2K25. So let me see, can I pin this link? Pin message. Okay, I pinned it. So when you go here, if you click on browse channels, it'll have tutorials, resources. You can just go over here and click view or open, whatever you want to do. But it'll tell you how to download everything. Let me go to tutorials because I've got it downloaded already. Hold on, what's this? Oh, there's an update. Vital identifiers new. Okay, I need to download this because I don't have this. I don't even know. Portrait ID. Vital. Nope. Where is the link? Releases. Maybe if we go to releases. All right, so under releases, it says download here. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this is the correct link. And all you gotta do is just download this setup.msi. I don't think you need the source code stuff, but if you download this setup MSI file, it'll let you set it up wherever you want on your computer. So I already have it set up, so I don't need to go through it. Oh no, I wanted to listen to that. Okay, anyway. And then once you do that, you can go back to this releases page. Let's see, V1.1. Yeah, make sure you get the correct patch of the game that you need to be compatible with this. And then make a copy of his 2K sheet, which is, where is it? Oh, it's gonna look like this. Like this is the original one. Just make a copy of this to your own drive. And this is what you're gonna save your JSON file. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a player named player1. And make sure all this stuff on like that. What's good, Jonathan Price? Can you guys still see what I'm doing? Anyway, I'm gonna produce a .json file. So I'm gonna click start. This is gonna start running a script. And the script is finished. Now you're gonna have to give your Google Drive or Google Sheets permission to run that script. You're gonna have to authorize that script. But once you do that, it's going to save your JSON file inside of your drive. So when you go to your drive, it's gonna create this sync 2K exports folder on its own. You click on it, and then it's just, yeah, we'll just make him player1. So last name will be 1. All right, this is player1. Confirm changes. Okay, now hopefully this should work out perfectly. All right, so I've got to go back. Okay, I've got the tool up. Got the upgrade plus tool up, okay. Enter the number of players to search for. All right, you got to enter more than one. Try to enter. It's like basically saying how many players are in this roster. So we're just gonna put a number like 5,000. That way it'll search through 5,000 players to get what it's looking for. Okay, so it said it only read 4,473 players. So we can just type in 4473 every time if we want. All right, so it says select the mode. I'm going to select 1 because I only want to edit individual players. And then select file name. That's where you type in your export.json. What's up, y'all? All right, so then I pressed enter. It's doing this thing. All right, you always got to type start to confirm that you want to start the process of updating stuff in the game. And we're gonna see how it changes his let's see, what did we have for him? Player1, his 3-point shot should go down to 35. That's the main thing we're gonna look for. All this other stuff should happen too, but that's what we're gonna look for. All right, so once I press enter on the tool, it's a 77 right now. It just went down to a 35. You see his overall went down. Now, okay, the thing that it didn't find, it says in the red, it says upgrade plus tendency not found, right shoulder durability failed. That shouldn't be a tendency. That should be a attribute. So I messed up. So if you put stuff in the wrong category, it won't update. But see, now we can do that for like 5 players at a time. Now supposedly, let's press enter. The tool goes away. I'm gonna bring the tool back because there's other things we can do with this. Yes, it's free to download. You can download it right now. That's why I put that Discord up there. It's free to download. He's going to have better compatibility for it later. All right, so we said we're going to type in 4473 for the number of players. Okay, now I found 43.94. Okay, whatever. All right, we're gonna do dump roster, which is option 4. Okay, dump roster, player list written. Okay, player list is written to the upgrade plus / dumps players.json file. Okay, so on my computer, go back to my upgrade plus, go to dumps, and it's this. So I'm gonna open that with Notepad++. Oh, it has every player in the roster. Okay, so the version number is basically the player ID number. Like Tyrese Maxey is player ID 0 because he's the very first one in the roster. So like if you have multiple LeBron James, they'll each have a different version number or player. Basically, version is the same thing as a player ID number, but it has every. It gives every player that's in the roster. Wow. And if somebody could write some code, we basically this. If somebody could write some code, let's see. Can we open this up in? Can we open this up? I wanted to open it up as a spreadsheet, but I don't think it's going to work the way I need it to work. All right, I don't know. But anyway, it gave us that dump file, which lists every player in the roster that it could find. Where did it go? Oh, I closed it. Yeah, this. Every player in the roster that it could find. So that's pretty cool. I guess that's an easy way of knowing who's in that roster. You could search through this. I don't know what I just did. Okay, I got to bring that tool back up. I wish I didn't have to bring the tool back up every time. You're going to want to pin that to your toolbar. All right, I want to see what else this is capable of. Enter the number of players to search for. I'm going to just go 5,000. All right, select the model. Oh, no, select the mode. Select the mode. We did individual. We did dump roster. Oh, global. Global would be editing every single player in the roster to have the whatever particular tendency or rating or badge that you want them to have. And you could also do it by team or global. So let's see if we click 3, what happens? I'm still unsure of how to put that into the sheet though. That's what the issue is for me. Let me see. That's not me. Okay, here. Because when I put in 76ers there, that didn't work. So if I wanted it to just globally be everybody has a 3-pointer of 35, I wonder would that work? Let me go back to the Discord because I don't think it actually says it could work like that. Find the compatibility, drop down values, no. And there's an update that I need to actually get. Yeah, go back to releases. Thought there was an update. To resources. I can't remember where it was. I don't know. this sucks because I feel like I keep going to the same stuff. Oh, here it is. How do I even get this stuff? This isn't the one. Okay, where do I download this? Durability attributes. I don't know. This is because when I clicked upgrade plus, this led us to the wrong link. That was the issue. All right, so this is. I gotta let them know on the upgrades tutorial page. First link needs to be updated. Cause now I know now I gotta keep going back to not tutorials, but I think it's it's not even resources. Releases. I gotta keep going back to releases to get it. It says this was released 2 days ago though. Yeah, so this is not the updated thing that he just updated. I'm confused. All right. Anyway, I don't know. He made it a little better, I guess. Huh? Is it on the Sync 2K sheet? Let me go to his. This stuff gets a little bit confusing. All right, I'm gonna save this as make a copy of sync converter. Say copy to. All right, so this is my copy. If I come down here and change this to badge, will these just be the badges? No. Okay, so it doesn't really do anything for me. All right, all right. Oh, little Louis. You trying to fix what? What are you trying to fix? You really, you got to go down the badges and stuff yourself. So whatever that new resource that he had up, was it under tutorials? Yeah. An update he has. Version identifier. I guess you would have to go back and put that version of the player in the game later. I don't know. I mean, in the file, in the JSON file after it's created, because it doesn't give you a space on the sheet to put a version of a player. So yeah, there's nowhere for you to put that. You gotta copy. You just gotta do that yourself, I guess. It's kind of confusing. All right. Anyway, let's get back to this. I don't know how we're supposed to globally edit. I'm gonna have to get in here and information releases. Go back to tutorials, but it doesn't tell you how to globally edit anything. I'm gonna go to support. I'm gonna go to the support channel and just ask, how do you, what names do you put in? What names do you enter for a global edit? I guess what first and last? Cause I don't understand. I just want to globally edit everything. So we'll see what he says. He was on earlier. Cause if you can, like, you can mess with tendencies. Everybody have certain tendencies, or yeah, everybody have certain tendencies. Yeah, this is on PC. This is on PC. And if you have the game on PC, you can still do the edits for people that are on console. So if you know somebody on console that wants to have, they've got a list of all the edits that they want made to their roster, you can definitely, I just thought of something. You can definitely help them make it. I think you could do this in my career. I don't want to test it, but I think you could do it in my career. I wouldn't try it. I don't. Maybe you can't. I shouldn't even brought it up. I'm not gonna, because I was thinking of people trying to edit the rosters, but then I thought about how people will just try to hack their my players. So never mind. But it just has to be a regular roster. Or it could be a my league. It could be a my league. So let's exit. Let's get out of here. Let's go into my little my league. NBA errors. Now this is the one that I've shown on stream before. It says, how do you use the tool and where do you download all the stuff? I showed that in the stream already. But on the Discord, there's a resources section. So you need to get the sheet converter, which is going to be how you can change everything, and then press start and get a file for the program to run. You're going to need the sheet converter. What's this one? Same thing. Okay. And you're going to need the correct patch for this game specifically. So you'll download this exe file. There's a whole instructional thing in there. Hold on. This is the latest patch. And this is the Sync 2K compatible patch. So I don't know if you need the latest patch. That's just in case you delete yours. But when you get this Sync 2K compatible patch, you have to play the game from Steam. You don't have to go in here in Steam and then click play and then turn on the non-EAC version of the game or something like that. And that's how you can run the tool. Then you'll be able to run the tool. I don't know. Export. I don't think it's going to do anything. So I'm trying to make changes to my. Oh no, what is this? Oh, this must be. What is it doing? Oh, it's doing the global. It's doing the global update. It's giving. Oh shoot, what is it doing? What stat did I change? Let's see, upgrades. Oh, everybody should now have a 35 3-point. I think it's still going. So let's go look in the rosters. Front office roster. Nah, everybody doesn't have one. Nobody has one. So something's not right about this particular roster. Yeah, because the players that it's naming are not even in this roster. There's no Cam Thomas in this roster. All right, I paused it. Hey, or maybe they are. But it's just taking so long to update everybody. I'm gonna delete that. I'm bring the program back. All right, enter number of players to search for. I'm gonna say 5,000. Okay, they only found 3,118. We just want to update one individual. All right, so I got to name a player 1 in this game.